How do I set up sales taxes? To start setting up taxes, we will click on the System menu option in the Encore menu. From here, select the Taxes tab. Here, you will see 3 tax options. If you are unsure what taxes you should be charging in your area, it is recommended to consult your local government website to find this information. In this demo, we will set up a federal and state tax. Click the toggle to enable the required taxes. Then, click the Adjust button. This will open a screen for you to set a name for the sales tax and set your tax registration number. This number will display on receipts. Click the On Sold button. This will bring you to the area where we can set the tax rate on products and services that are sold in the business. If you do not charge this tax on products or on services sold, you can leave that tax rate at 0. Click the OK button once finished. If you have other taxes to set up, repeat these steps to add in the rest of your taxes. Don't forget to check your local government website to find out what taxes need to be charged. There may be separate federal, state, and possibly UV tanning taxes that need to be applied. Next, we will go to the Preferences area. The Charge Taxes on All Sold Products and Charge Taxes on All Sold Services areas can be adjusted here. By default, these will be set to On. You will need to uncheck one or both of these if only certain services or products need tax applied. You will then have the option to check or uncheck taxes per service or product in the Services and Products screens. If you have turned either of these off, you can then click on the Adjust button. This will pop up a screen to either add or remove taxes from all services or all products. If most of your services or products require tax to be charged, click Add to Products or Add to Services. You will then be able to check or uncheck taxes per service or product in the Services screen and/or the Products screen. Lastly, you can set if taxes will be added onto service and product pricing or set to be included in service and product pricing. Click Save when done. We have now set up taxes in Encore. Thanks for watching.